Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Let's Fix This. We're going to go over a Bosch Dryer heating element replacement. We're going to show you how to test the element and then how to replace it. So the element on this one's accessible from the back side of the dryer. So you need to make sure you uninstall it, and then you're going to remove every single screw on the back of this dryer. You know, take off the terminal block cover, the screws that hold the terminal block in place, the perimeter screws, and then there's screws at the top of the dryer as well that you're going to remove. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this video up so I can get these screws removed, and then we'll get to the element. There are also two screws located at the top once you get the lid off that you need to remove in order to get the back panel off. Once you have all the screws removed, then you can go ahead and remove the back panel. Just make sure you're careful with that cord as you fish it through the terminal block opening. Your heating element's located in the bottom right corner. You'll need to remove the two Torx screws from the element, and then it pulls down and out. In order to get the element all the way out, you have to remove the two wires off the high limit thermostat. You'll then need to remove the heater thermistor wire. And lastly, you'll need to remove the two wires that connect to the actual heating element in the rear. Once you have the element out, you can take your ohm meter or your voltmeter and set it to ohms, and you can go ahead and test for continuity across the element. If you have an open circuit, the element's bad. As you can see in the videos, I have my leads across the two terminals. I have an open circuit, so we have a bad element. Okay, once you have your new element, you're going to make sure the two grooves on the bottom of the element slide into the grooves for the base of the dryer. Once you have those grooves locked in, then you can go ahead and slip the front part of the element into the rear bulkhead. It'll be a little tricky getting it to go in there, but it'll go in there. Once you get the holes lined up, put the screws back in. You'll then need to reconnect the heating element wires back to the heating element. Then you'll connect the wires to the high limit thermostat. You'll notice the little red button there on the high limit thermostat. If your dryer overheats due to a clogged vent, you can actually get in there and push that red button and it will reset that. And this will potentially fix a dryer that's not heating as well. And lastly, make sure you plug in the heater thermistor wire. Once you've reattached the element, you can go ahead and put the back of the dryer back on and reattach all screws. Once again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos in the future.